Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey, and I am back here in Fort Collins, Colorado at the E-Team HobbyPlex doing some tiny whoop racing tonight. So we'll see how well we do tonight. Everybody, so we are getting ready to go into the mains, and so far I have qualified 4th place, which is awesome. My fastest lap was a 32-second, so doing pretty good. So I will clue you guys in at the end and tell you how I did. So that wraps it up for this night of tiny whoop racing. Ended up taking 4th place during the B main race. Unfortunately, my whoop had a failsafe. Not sure what happened, so we'll have to look at that. But thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching the video. And as always, let's keep those drones up in the air, flying high. I'll talk to you guys later.